Today, we're diving into the top 5 side hustles for young entrepreneurs in 2025. Whether you're aiming to fund your next gaming rig, save for a trip, or just want extra cash for those surprise expenses, these side hustles have got you covered. 1. YouTube and social media content creation. Alright, coming in hot at number 1. Creating content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or whichever platform you enjoy most. Look, everyone is on social media these days, so why not turn your scrolling into cash? You can make videos about your passion, gaming, tech reviews, comedy skits, or even finance tips, just like this one. The key is consistency and finding your unique style. Monetization can come from ads, sponsorships, or selling merch if you build a loyal enough audience. Pro tip: use free editing tools like CapCut or Canva to affordably increase production quality and keep viewers hooked. 2. Website design on Wix. Next up, website design. But hear me out, this one's easier than it sounds. You don't need to be the next Steve Jobs. Platforms like Wix let you drag and drop your way to a professional-looking website with no coding required. Small businesses, artists, or other side hustlers constantly need websites, but don't have the time or know-how. If you can make the process easy for them, you can become their go-to web designer. Set up a portfolio site for yourself. Yes, practice what you preach. Offer affordable packages on Fiverr or social media, and watch the clients roll in. Plus, every slick website you make boosts your skills and your bank account. Word of mouth is super helpful at the early stages. Consider doing a few websites for a reduced rate early on to get some testimonials. Remember, it's always better to under-promise and over-deliver than over-promise and under-deliver. 3. Freelance jobs on Fiverr. Speaking of Fiverr, that's our third hustle, freelancing online. Are you good at admin, graphic design, voiceovers, writing, or even digital marketing? Create a new profile on Fiverr and offer your services. The platform is packed with gigs, from logo creation to helping people out with SEO. The best part? You set your own rates and work from anywhere. It can be a great way to work remotely. 4. Freelance jobs in person. Car washing, gardening, handiwork. Okay, if you're more of the hands-on type, number 4's for you. Freelance local jobs like car washing, gardening, or handiwork. These jobs let you make quick money, meet neighbours, and maybe even get some exercise. Plus, word of mouth is gold. Do a good job, and you'll have customers lining up to pay you. And hey, you can even start a social media page showcasing your work. Build that brand next to the business so people invest in you. And whatever you do next. 5. Trading. Last but definitely not least, trading, if you're over 18. Now, before you panic and think you need a Wall Street degree or a crystal ball, don't worry. In 2025, apps and platforms have made trading accessible and educational for beginners. Start with low-risk assets like ETFs or select cryptocurrencies, but remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Use tools that offer demo accounts so you can practice first. The key is research, discipline, and staying calm when things don't go your way. If you stick with it, trading can grow from a side hustle to a serious moneymaker. So there you have it. The top 5 side hustles for young entrepreneurs in 2025. YouTube and social media content, website design on Wix, freelance gigs on Fiverr, local freelance work, trading smartly. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. These hustles take time, effort, and sometimes a little bit of coffee-fueled hustle. Pick one or a couple that suit you. Start small and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below which hustle you're going to try first. Also, hit subscribe because, well, who wants to miss out on easy money tips? Thanks for watching Next Gen Wealthy, where we help you hustle smarter, not harder. Until next time, stay focused and get that bread.